Hey, Rosie, stay away from him!
Dad!
He might bite you, honey. He's part wolf.
Balto, I'm
Better
sorry.
not talk to me, Jenna. I might turn on you.
Balto, wait.
Jenna?
Rosie's in there.
In the hospital. Why?
She feels warm. She has a terrible cough.
Doctor, how is she?
Exhausted from coughing. Her fever's getting worse. And I'm out of antitoxin.
The medicine will be here in time. We're going to lose them.
A dog cannot make this journey alone, but maybe a wolf can.
Фотография твоя горят по